Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Swami. Today we will learn wind, storms and cyclone. Class 7, Science, NCERT.
Air exerts pressure. Air exerts pressure all around us. This phenomenon can be noticed during flying of paper kites or fluttering of flags. Let us conduct an experiment. For this, you need a tin can with a lid, a tripod stand, burner, and water. Fill half of the tin can with water. Light the burner and place the tripod stand above it. Place the can on the stand and let the water boil. Now extinguish the burner and carefully close the can with its lid. Now place the can under running water. Observe that the can's shape gets distorted. Do you know why this happens? This is due to the decrease in air pressure inside the can. When the can is placed in running water, due to the process of condensation, some steam of the can gets converted into water. This decreases the air pressure inside the can and becomes lesser than the air pressure exerted on the can from outside. This compresses the can and the shape gets distorted. High-speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. When there is an increase in the wind speed, there is always reduced air pressure that accompanies it. We will see this with an example. Take two balloons and fill them up with a small quantity of water. Now blow air into them and tie both of them to a string with a gap of 10 centimeters between them. In the empty space between the balloons, blow air with your mouth. The balloons move slightly towards each other. The wind we blow between the balloons reduces the air pressure in that area. This makes the balloons move closer towards each other. You do not believe me? Let me show you. Take some boiling water and pour it into a plastic bottle using a funnel. Do not fill it completely, just a little less than half the bottle. Cap it tightly. Now pour cold water over the bottle and watch it get crushed. What happened here? When the boiling hot water was poured into the bottle, the steam pushed some of the air out. At the same time, the air above the water surface was heated and hence expanded. This also pushed some of the air out, and the amount of air inside the bottle reduced. Then when we capped the bottle, the air could not enter back in. Finally, when we poured cold water over the bottle, the steam condensed to water and the air cooled and contracted. This led to lowering of air pressure inside the bottle. As the air pressure inside the bottle fell significantly below the pressure exerted by the air on the outside, the walls crashed in. Air in the pneumatic tires in our bicycle or cars exert pressure on the walls of the tires from inside. This introduces cushioning effect and thus absorbs the shocks generated due to rough texture of the road. Ride a bicycle up a slope using a tire filled with air and ride up the same slope without air in the tires. Can you feel
The videos you watched were the experiments which are given in the lesson. This is formation of cyclone. These are some precautions of how to be safe in cyclone. Thank you to watch my video.